The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
No, I know I'm a country girl. You know, I don't know if everybody know me come from Westmoreland. So, I love mangoes. So I went to buy mangoes, which is unusual because we usually just go pick people mango and eat from country. Went to buy mangoes and I said to the lady, I saw my favorite mango, one of my favorite mangoes, and I said, oh, I can get a gaty mango. I can get some gaty mangoes, please. She said, what? Gaty? I said, yes, see them there. She said, miss, we don't have a mango named gaty mango. I said, yes, you do. It's right there. I take up the mango. I said, see it here? Gaty mango. She said, no, blacky. Black mango? This is gaty mango. I've grown up all my life. May have them tree in my other country. A gaty mango them name, not black. Not black mango. I cannot be the only one. I was shocked. I'm like, no, wanna get what?
Well, viewers and subscribers, from me know myself, me know black mango as black mango. I'm not saying that there's not another name for it, you know, but from me a little youth, as some of you my people and call it, and as some me call it too. You see me? You, my viewers and subscribers, can tell me what's the name of that mango. You see me? You can tell me what name you call that mango that the female shown in that video that I just presented to you. You see me? Yeah, you can tell me if it is black mango or if that mango have another name or so forth. You see me? Let me know. You see me? And the female you see in that video, yeah, she's an actress, you know? So big her up. Alright? Alright, so I'm going to move on to more videos. The Granville police station within the parish of St. James, that is within the country of Jamaica, had caught on fire. Or you could say that it was on fire. See, it is said that members of a fire department within the country of Jamaica had been alerted about the situation, and it is said that when those members of the fire department went to the location, they saw that the building was engulfed in flames. You see, it is said that millions of dollars had been lost. The way how the fire started is somewhat sketchy, and it is said that investigations are being done to determine what started the fire. You see me? Today is the 19th of May, the year 2021, and according to reports, it is said that the building caught on fire sometime last night. Now, I have a video that I'm going to present to you, and this video is going to show the remains of the building that was on fire. You see? Before I present this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now, here's the video. Take a look, listen, and observe. Alright, viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think about that video that I just presented to you. You see? Yeah. Alright, so I read a news article about something that happened within the country of Jamaica where it is said that a man tried to bribe police with 500 Jamaican dollars. 500 Jamaican dollars, no, viewers and subscribers. See? I am not sure if the person tried to bribe one police with the $500 or more than one police with the $500. You see what I say? But however, it is said that the man had been charged by the police for attempting to do that. You see me? And it is said that the person had been fined 50,000 Jamaican dollars. when he appeared in the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court sometime within the month of May, the year 2021. You see? It is said that a police superintendent was at the scene when the person tried to do something like that. You see me I say? It is said that the man tried to bribe the police with 500 Jamaican dollars. End up got a fine of 50,000 Jamaican dollars. See? The incident happened somewhere within the country of Jamaica and viewers and subscribers, obviously. And according to the news article that I read, it is said that the person was traveling with other persons in a motor vehicle during curfew hours within the country of Jamaica. You see me? And it is said that the police pulled over the vehicle, or you could say the police signaled the vehicle to stop. And one thing led to another, and they said that the person tried to bribe the police with $500, trying to escape the charge or charges behind being on the road during curfew hours within the country of Jamaica. You see it? People, that is something to really truly think about. It's not a laughing matter, but it's something that I really look at. You see me I say? Alright, you can let me know what you think about that, viewers and subscribers. I mean, really have to think while I explain that to you. And with that, I'm going to move on to another video. The next video I'm going to present to you, this video had been recorded somewhere within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. I don't have any confirmed information as to exactly where within the country of Trinidad and Tobago the video had been recorded, nor do I have any confirmed information as to exactly when the video had been recorded. But however, according to some things that had been shown and said in the video, and according to some things that had been said on social media about the video, it is said that the video shows a female who had been arrested by the police within Trinidad and Tobago, and it is said that her son also had been arrested by the police within the country that is known as Trinidad and Tobago. You see? In my point of view, this video shows when the female was being arrested. You see me? And one of the reasons why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can take a look at it for yourself. You can also let me know what you think about some of the things that have been shown and said in this video as well, alright? Now, in this video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting at the police, and this video also shows some things that some of you, my viewers and subscribers, might not want to see. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe.
Daddy man mother boy, I'm running to a woman, mate. I'm running to a woman, mate. Yeah, there's a yes or yeah book. There's a book. What's all your Wamsi language? Everybody here stand in court and see she ain't saying nothing. Well, you take, well, you have a man. Well, you never find him man with no weed. Well, you find weed and lock up the man. Remember this. Remember this. Watch the license plate. Watch them. Watch it, watch it, watch it. About obscene. They find a man and find weed and give him the weed. Watch them. Watch them.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, please bear in mind that the information that I gave you about the video that I just presented to you are according to some things that have been said on social media about the video that I just presented to you. You see? Yes, so please bear that in mind, you know. You know me, Dancehall Skill. I'm going to tell you like it is. I'm not going to twist the truth or anything. I just say it, you see? Alright, well, let me know what you think about the videos that I presented to you in this video. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post a video. Alright? So until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Uno big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall Skilla! Yeah, man. Hey, yo, Skilla! taint it.